Mananga River update. It's overflowing. What is the real name of this place? The name of this place is Isla Verde. Hello everyone, this is me, Singapore-like Sugbo. Come on, let's visit the flood victims in the Mananga River today. Come with me. The Bunak flyover. Just watch. We are close to our destination. Stay tuned. Mananga River. We are here already in Mananga River. Let's ask here first. What place is this? Is this Kukot River? The water only goes up to that point. It's not very big.
The water level is very high.
Why did they build a house here? This river is a giant river. Many people were swept away by the flood at that time. Hello guys, we're here at Mananga River. This is the situation here in Mananga River. Take a good look. That there should be no houses standing beside the river, but there are still many houses standing under the bridge. I hope no one builds houses here beside this river, so that the next time there is a flood, nothing will be washed away by the water. Take a look closely. The flood control should be twice the size and length. The flood control that we can see from afar, the height of the flood control from the ground, should be 2 times or more higher than the original. We expect a large cost for this project because this river is gigantic. This means that a large amount of water will pass through here from the mountains. Look at the old flood control. That flood control is so short. I don't know how many meters it is from the bottom. Look at that closely.
So then,
and on the other side, there is no flood control built at all.
Dire sa kabilang area walang flood control.
So there's a big possibility that the houses will be washed away if there is a lot of water from the mountain. And the soil in the middle must be removed and cleaned. The soil will be backhoed so that it can be easily removed, and no one will build a house there soon. This should be a no-build zone area. Some of the victims here are waiting for relocation. And then this one here on the left side. Those soil need to be taken. After the embankment is completed, flood control will be installed around the sides of the houses so that no more water overflows. My God, the kids screamed downstairs. They were bathing there. It's nice to take a bath with them. This seems to be the exact direction of the flood control that would be built if there were a project here. And the houses here need to be removed. There is a high possibility that the houses here will be swept away by the flood.
Karon ang sitwasyon diri mga guys.
We've seen the situation here, so let's go to the other side.
Punta rito sa Mananga River.
Cebu South Coastal Road. Isla Verde. Yes, we are here already at Isla Verde, SRP, Talisay City. We can see the Mananga River at the other side. And this is the Isla Verde. So let's ask questions to the people here.
Isla Verde, no?
Is this Isla Verde?
Isla Verde.
What place is this boy?
Ha?
Isla Verde.
What really happened here?
There's a big flood.
Huh? What?
Many houses were swept away by water.
Why? What's the re-3?
There's a huge flood hit our place.
Why? Why is there a flood? Because there's rain?
Because there's a typhoon.
There shouldn't be a house here, right?
Yes, of course. It's dangerous to stay in this area.
Why do they keep coming back here?
They are out of their minds.
They know it's dangerous,
To live on the edge of a stream.
but it is prohibited to build a house here. Okay, thank you. What is your name?
My name is
Your
PJ.
name Preet Aguilar? Are you Preet?
PJ.
PJ?
Thank you so much. Can I ask a question? So, that, I will learn a lot about this place. What's the exact name of this place?
Isla Verde.
Oh yeah.
What's really happening here? And hit by huge flood?
Because they narrowed the stream here. Honestly, this stream was big back then, so there is a lot of water passing. That's the reason why the houses here are drifting away.
Was it prohibited to build a house there?
Building houses is okay. The reason is they narrowed the creek. So many people built houses.
You? It's okay.
And it shouldn't be like this again.
In your opinion, what's the solution for this?
No longer habitable for humans.
Can you point out the boundary where they cannot build houses?
Here and over there. The creek here needs to be widened so that people won't live there anymore.
So, do you have a call to the government about these issues?
The flood control project needs to be large, organized, and wide.
Flood control. Flood control. Okay. So,
What's your final words? What was the last thing you could say that made it impossible to build a house here?
To make this place private property, meaning it's illegal to build a house in this area, so that people are safe and no more lives are lost. On the other day, they put placards with a warning this is private property.
Thank you for your time. What's your name?
I'm Joshua Bailuzes.
Okay, thank you.
Can I shout out, sir?
Okay, go.
Shout out to Addison Villarmino.
Masagala na yung lugar re? Masagala na yung lugar re?
Riverside ni dire.
Riverside?
Oh, Masagana. Riverside niya, Masagana. Ya dire, Isla Verde na rin.
Isla Verde Vegas. Pero kaning ngala sa river, ngala sa suba.
Kanang sapa nga.
Mananga?
Pero may mga dili.
Dili na Mananga.
Pero may Mananga Pikas.
Ito Mananga Pikas. Okay. SRP River. Boss, SRP River. SRP River pangalan. SRP River. Ha? SRP. SRP pangalan. SRP River eh. SRP River. Okay. Sige, puno sumpay rin po Mananga no. Nilapaw di ay, nilapaw di ana dang game.
Lapaw na din.
Ha?
Lapaw ng tubig niya.
Lapaw dagan dami sa balay sa likod.
Ang wala dito para nagtulad-tulad mo.
Kana. Ayun ana so dapat ay di na tukuran unta gon nya no kay dapat i-transfer nila ng blood control dito. Papahaan ang yaman eh. Kama lapaw rin ka po ni dako man tuba.
Ama ko ato ng mobile ko lapok bilin. Ay napuno na sa tubig. Itupong man ani.
Lagi. So ang hapit mo awas rin ang tubig.
Awas tubig rin.
Di awas rin. Di awas rin. Di awas ani bridge. Di abot rin. Wala siguro.
Awas ang dire ko tunggu ya. Dire.
Biya na ang tubig. Uy. Di awas gid ay. So abot dito rin yung tubig dito abot dito rin.
Ang katong dito.
The water from the mountain is rising.
Nang dagat.
The high tide sea is rising also. The
Grabe,
fresh water and the salt water collide and grow big.
So wala na agi.
So no one passes through this bridge?
Wala lagi.
Yes, no one else passed by.
Maingon utab din dia.
So no one passes through this bridge. Get out of there. You might get blown away by the wind.
Very scary.
But there are still many people here. No, people ran away because of fear. They are afraid of the flood.
You definitely won't survive if you get swept away by the flood. Is there anyone who gets swept away by the flood?
No, no one gets carried away.
Matao la kayo.
No, only houses, pigs, and dogs.
Wala kay patay dire eh. Wala kay patay.
This storm is more than just a typhoon, Odette.
Napapasulit lagi.
So kada ato. Di na man to. Wala kang takbo sa hangin.
So dapat mo ani wala nang patukuran, di patukuran.
Wala na.
Takas batas ano kuan? Grabe ano? Selamat. Selamat.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate your support and love. May God will always give you more blessings. To all new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will receive notifications soon. Every one of you here, please share my video. And again, thank you so much for your support. Bye-bye. God bless you all.